Hello, good morning. Welcome to the Emmanuel Khan Wealth Building YouTube channel, where I share content around forex trading, cryptocurrency, how to earn in dollars online, and everything that has to do with wealth building ideas and opportunities. So if you like such content, hit on the subscribe button, then hit on the notification bell so that when I make new videos you will always be notified. In today's video, I want to quickly walk you through how to set up your 2-factor authenticator on your IPC account. Without further ado, let's dive right in. Alright, 2-factor authenticator is an extra security measure used to protect your account from hackers and all that. All right, so it's very important that you set it up. Previously we've had cases where people, I think that was about last 2 weeks or so, where people's account were hacked. All right, people had their account hacked in IPC and their money, their funds gone. Why? Because they did not have 2FA set up. They didn't have 2FA set up. All right, so I'll quickly walk you through how to get this done. First of all, you need to go to your Google Play Store and search for Google Authenticator. All right, click on that. I already have mine installed. All right, so what you need to do is to click on install. So yours should be showing installed here. You click on that and you install it. What does it look like? Let me quickly show you. This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. All right, so I'll click on that. Okay, so here are different accounts that I have set Google Authenticator for. All right, different account that I've set it for. How do you set it up? Now when you log in, you will see a plus, this box here, this circle here, this plus sign here. Hit on that, then this will pop up. Enter a setup key. A setup key will be generated by the platform where you want to impute your 2FA. all right, for example, we are dealing with IPC, so it's IPC that will set up or give us what we call a key that will be required to come and impute here. Okay, so we'll pause this here and let's go to IPC and get our key. Here we are on IPC. All right, so you can see 2-factor authenticator right here. I'll click on that and allow it to load up. Beautiful. Google Authenticator. Step 1, install Google Authenticator, which we have done, which I've shown you. All right. Then step 2, set up Google Authenticator. Touch menu, set up account, which is what we have already done. Okay, we've done all that. Now we are using the key, so you may not have to use this method here. You may not have to use that method because we're using the key. So what I'll do, I just simply click on copy link. All right, this link is the key that link copy. This link is the key that we were asked for in Google Authenticator, right where we saw key. All right, enter a key setup. That's the key that is being referred to. But what I like to do first of all is I always like to save those information privately or somewhere. I always like to do that. So I'll first of all save the key that I just copied. I'll save it in my saved file on Telegram. Let me save it here first of all. I'll save it here. Alright, so that's the key. I just saved it, so I can now proceed to enter the key right here. Or let's see if we are done reading everything that was. Okay, so number 3, step 3 says buying Google Authenticator. Alright, once you get the 6 digits verification code, enter the 6-digit verification code generated by the Google Authenticator app. Okay, alright, so once we are done with imputing this key in the Google Authenticator app, we'll then come here and click buying Google Authenticator. So let's come right here and enter a setup. So account name, it's IPC. That's the name of the company or website or app or whatever that you're setting this up for. Enter your key. I'll paste the key here. Beautiful. Forget about time base, don't touch it, just click on add. That's the next thing you need to do. Click on add. Good, I've saved it up, I've added it. Now we can see it here. Alright, so this that you see here, it's a timer and it expires, I think, after every 10 seconds or 5 seconds or thereabout. Alright, if it expires, you see the reading here. Okay, if it expires, this key will change automatically. Watch it. Beautiful. Alright, so you see it, this is the connection. So this is a timer. If it expires, it means you can't use this particular key again. You will have to wait for another code to be generated. That's how it's used. So let me just wait for this to get to expire, then I'll go and click on bind right there on IPC. Alright, so I'll click on this, just tap on it and it will copy. Then I'll go over here and I'll click on bind Google Authenticator. Hold on a minute. So I was making a mistake. I was supposed to enter the code here and I left my email address there. Alright, so here's supposed to be my IPC password and here's the code from the Google Authenticator. So I'll just quickly erase that now and do the right thing. Alright, so that space is for the code and here will be for my password. So let me go get the code first. Alright, so let me just wait for this to finish up, then I'll copy the next code that will be generated. Alright, so let me just copy this right about now and I'll go right here, I'll paste it here and I'll come here and enter my password. Then I'll hit on bind Google Authenticator. Excuse me, bind authenticator failed. So why would it fail? Except my password has some issues. Let me cross check my password. Alright, so it's successfully done. Where I was making mistake was my password. Alright, I didn't get my password combination very well, but now it's settled. So remember, all you need to do is when you copy the code from your Google Authenticator, you come right here and you paste the code where it says Google Authenticator code. Then the next box below, you type in your password and hit on bind. You're seeing on bind now because it has been bound. Alright, so that is how to go about binding your IPC, setting up your 2FA on IPC. Please, your key is very important. Save it somewhere. Very, very necessary. Very, very important. Save it somewhere offline or maybe your email or something, or just save it somewhere. Alright, so that will be all for this video. Till I come your way again next time. Stay blessed.